This video is going to show you how to create a resource pack in ActivInspire. First thing I'm going to show you is how to save images from Word, the clip art images from Word. And then I will show you how to save images from the internet or the web. And then once we have those images saved into a folder, I'll show you how to export those as a resource pack. So let's look at saving images from Word. First of all, you need to open up Word. Go to Insert, Clip Art, and you need to put in a keyword. I've already have done this with school, so we're looking at school clip art here from Microsoft Word. If you go into Search in Collections, I suggest you click on the Everywhere box because that will also search the web collection, which has thousands of clip art available that is not on your computer. Also, you need to check and make sure that your media files are checked. You can search for clip art, photographs, movies, which are animated GIFs, which are clip art pictures that move, and also sound. So we're going to leave this set at all. And so what you do is you go down through this list and decide what you want to have in your resource pack. And you just click on the thumbnail here, and it shows up here on your Word document. And so we go through. I'm going to just scroll down here and just pick some random pictures, maybe resize them a little bit so that they'll fit on the page. Here's a good one, and then the school bus one is one that I see a lot of teachers use. I'll resize that so everything. So we have 4 images on that page. Okay, now what you need to do then is resize your Word window so that you can see both your ActivInspire window and your Word window. And I'm going to pull this over just enough so I can see my pictures. I'm going to drag my pictures over from Word. I can scroll down. There's my schoolhouse, and then finally my school bus. And I'm finished with Word, so I'm going to minimize it and close it, and I can move these around. Now I want to save these into a folder in my resources. So I open up my resource browser. That is the second icon here. It's got the music notes and the movie clapboard. I'm going to come down here into my shared resources, or it may be on your external hard drive. I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to name this folder School Clip Art. And here's my School Clip Art folder. I'm going to click on it to select it, and now all you have to do is drag your images over. And now they are in that folder for you to use in any flip chart. But before I do anything else, I'm going to rename these pictures. So I'm going to select the picture in my folder, right click on it, and click Rename Resource File. This lets me know what this image is. And if you share this resource pack with another teacher, it will let them know what it is also. And I got one more here. Okay, so that's saving those images from Word. Now, let me show you how to save images from the web. You need to open up a web browser, and I usually use Google. You can, any picture that you find on the internet, you'll be able to do this with. So I went to google.com. I'm going to click on images in the top left hand corner, and I'm going to just type in school clip art, and here's what I get. So you do the same thing here, where you need to you need to resize your window so that you see both your web browser window and your ActivInspire window. Now I'm going to go through here. It's important that you click on the image first, and then you can click and drag from that thumbnail. There's no right clicking and saving. You just find the image that you want, you click on it. When you get the thumbnail that looks like this, you drag it over, and then you can click over here and resize it. And I'm going to do one more here. This is this bug here I'll do. Okay, and then you do the same thing with the pictures that we did with our clip art from Word. We drag them into our folder, our school clip art folder. The other type of image that you can save that kind of makes your flip charts a lot of fun are animated GIFs. And animated GIFs, GIF, are they are clip art pictures that move. Now in Microsoft Word, let me show you how to find these in Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, they're categorized as movies under the media type. So if I go under the media type file, uncheck everything but movies, and click go, these are all animated GIFs. Now I won't be able to watch them move, like this pencil sharpener, for example. Let me delete these pictures here. I still click on it, and you notice that it is not moving. Well, that's okay. I'm going to resize my window, and I'm going to drag this picture over into ActivInspire. And ActivInspire works really well with animated GIFs. So you can just click and drag from Microsoft Word. That's fine. And if I drag this over from into my school clip art folder, you'll notice that the icon changes. So this is really important that you rename this file so that you know and other people know what that image is. Now there's one more step if you want to save the animated GIF from the web. So let me find let me change my search here. Let's go back to school. You have to actually go to where the image is hosted, or where it lives on the internet. So I'm going to click on here, and then I'm going to click on where it says see original image. I'm going to click on that and make sure that it works. And so you notice that this one is not working. I'm going to use this one again. I'm going to visit the web page just to see if it's maybe working there. And it's not working there either. Okay, so there you see it. There you see it working right there. So I'm going to click on View Original Image, And there, this one's working. This guy's typing away. Now the trick to this is, let me show you. If I were to drag this image over, you'll notice that it does not move. ActivInspire does not like that. So what you need to do is you actually need to right-click and save the GIF and save it to wherever you want to save it. You can save it to your desktop. I'm going to save it to the desktop just so I know where it is. And you can rename it if you want. And I'm going to click Save. Then what you can do is open up another window. So start My Computer. Go to your desktop. Here's that computer animated, and then I can drag it over from there, and there it's working. Or I can come up and do Insert, Media, go to the desktop. There's the computer animated, and click Open. And there it is again. Now if I want to save this in my folder, I just drag it over just like I would before. And I can rename it also. Okay, the last part is exporting the folder as a resource pack. So what you need to do is we need to select the folder that we have full of school clip art. You can see here from Microsoft Word and from the internet. You right click on the folder name, click on Export to Resource Pack. It gives you the Save As dialog box. You decide where you want to save it. I'm going to save it to the desktop. I'm going to also give it a name and click Save. And if I minimize my ActivInspire and look at my desktop, here is my folder. There's my resource pack right here. And so now I can share that with other teachers. I can upload it to Promethean Planet. You can do a whole lot of things with that folder or with that resource pack. So that's how you create a resource pack, save the images from Word, save the images from the web, and export that folder as a resource pack. Thank you.